everybody, welcome to Moreality, your channel for React Native content, and today we're going to be going over the scroll list component. Alright, let's get right into it. What we're going to do is go ahead and go over to our components folder and add a new file, call it SectionList component. Wow. Component.js, and we're going to type in rf&e, go over to app.js and add in our section list component, make that self-closing. Now you can see on the right that we have our section list component. We're going to go over here, get rid of this text, and now we're going to start writing the functionality for our component. So I'm gonna paste this data in. I'm gonna put it in the description so you guys can copy and paste it too. And we're gonna go ahead and write out our render item. So it's gonna be const item. It's gonna be equal to this structure title. And we're going to go ahead and do this. Okay, actually make these parentheses so it implicitly returns our component. So our render item. We're going to go ahead and have view and a text in here. And this text is going to be the title. So we're going to go ahead and write that. Then for here we're gonna have styles. Style equals styles dot. We need to import style sheet. So let's go ahead at the bottom. Add RNSS. Import our style sheet. And we're gonna go ahead right here and have styles dot item. And down here we're gonna have style equals styles dot title. Okay. And then right here we're gonna have style equals styles dot container. Alright. Now let's add our section list component. Section list from React Native, and this is self-closing. So now we're gonna have sections equals data. We're gonna have our key extractor, and that's going to be item index, then have this as an arrow function to item plus index. Okay. And now we're gonna have our render item. It's gonna be like this, this, item, arrow function, and it's going to return our render item. And then we're gonna have title equals item. Okay, that's not supposed to be there. Alright, so now you can see all our sub items popped up, but not the titles. So we're going to go ahead and have a render section header. Now this is going to have a section is set to title, and we are going to have, it's going to be like this. Like that. And we're going to have this wrapped in parentheses. And then after this, we're going to have an arrow function. This is going to be parentheses, and then this is going to be text. Style equals styles dot header. Dot header. Gonna put this like this, like that, and then get rid of this. Okay. And then here is going to be title. Now all our titles are in here. So now that we have all of our functionality set up, we can go ahead and start designing it. So right here, we're going to have container. And container is going to have flex1 with a margin horizontal of 16. And we're going to go ahead and add item. And item's going to have a background color of Dodger blue. And for here, we're going to have a padding of 20 and a margin vertical of 8. Okay. Now we're going to have our header style. We're going to have font size 32. Background color of white. Now that the header's all done, and now we just have to do the title. That's going to have a font size of 24. Okay. So now you can see we have our section list all set up. And with the section list, it collapses the titles together so you can scroll up, and the header for the main dishes will scroll down until the next header hits and it'll push it up, which is a nice feature. And as you can see, the indicator is also getting in the way. So what we can do is go ahead over here and add shows vertical scroll indicator and set this to false. So now you can't see it when you scroll up and down. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and leave a like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.